So, you will have to speak on this topic for 1 to 2 minutes. Please start.
Normally, I sleep late at night, like 1 a.m. or 2 a.m. And in result, I get up late in the morning. Beside, it was not for good. It was not good for my health, and in during the day, I also used to feel tired. So, I would like to talk about how I get rid from this bad habit. Nowadays, I am waking up early in the morning. The thing is that recently I had an exam in Islamabad, so that's why I had to attend that exam. For this purpose, I need to wake up early in the morning, and I had to reach in Islamabad. My exam time was 9 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. So. I decided that I should be there for 1 day ago, or I should go in the same day. For this purpose, I made an habit to wake up early in the morning. For this purpose, I started it 4 to 5 days ago before the exam, and daily I get up early in the morning. So. The day came when it was my exam, and in result, get up early in the morning, 7 p.m.
Okay, thank you very much. You have spoken for 1 minute and 30 seconds. Mainly, your answer was disorganized. Why disorganized? Because you talked about past and present and you mixed past and present. You were talking about a habit, how you developed the habit of waking up early in the morning. The first thing is, I gave you the topic and you don't have topic with you. Where is it? See, this is the thing, right? If you don't have topic, if you don't have the topic in printed form, how will you speak on the topic, right? Now, the question is describe our time. Our time means once upon a time, you got up early. What you did, you mixed it up with the habit of getting up early and you confused it with past and present and somewhere present, somewhere past. I was unclear. I mean, it was only one incident when you got up early. So the first thing is keep the topic in front of you. The second thing is write down some notes and put them in front of you. The third thing is improve your grammar. You're mixing present and past a lot. Looking at your overall performance and the way you spoke, now I gave you 4.5, right? Thank you.